Hey everyone, long division is here, and we're going to talk about the steps that we followed in class today. Remember our acronym. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Many of you know the process of the long division right now, and some of you use that magic 7 or that partial quotient method. You really want to learn the algorithm here because the algorithm is going to help you, especially when we get to dividing decimals. It's going to be difficult to use that partial quotient method. So I'm going to do number 1, even though that's not part of your assignment. But remember, the way it's written here, left to right, 52,080, that's the dividend, and 15 is the divisor. So we're trying to see how many 15s fit into 52,080. And we divide first. So we know 15 does not fit into 5, but it fits into 52 3 times. So that's the divide step. All right, so now we multiply. We always multiply the most recent part of the quotient that we put up on top times the divisor. And it's important to know these vocabulary words. So this is the dividend, this is the divisor, this is the quotient. So 3 times 15 is 45. Then we subtract. So we've already divided, multiplied, now we're going to subtract. 52 minus 45 is 7. Remember, it's not 5 minus 2. It's 2 minus 5. Or we have to borrow here, or just do 52 minus 45. All right, now we check to make sure that our, after we subtract, we have to make sure that our difference is going to be smaller than our divisor. If it's the same size as our divisor or greater, that means we have not divided our number enough. Okay, it means our quotient is not big enough. So now we bring down the 0, and now we see how many 15s fit into 70. So after we bring down the 0, we go back to the top and start with our dividing again. So how many 15s fit into 70? That would be 4. 4 times 15 is 60. We subtract and get 10. We bring down our 8. How many 15s fit into 108? I think that would be 7. That would be 105. We subtract and get 3, bring down our 0. 15 fits into 30 twice. 2 times 15 is 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. Okay, so now our quotient is 3,472. If we multiply that by our divisor, it should equal our dividend. So you don't have to say, Mr. Payne, am I correct? Mr. Payne, am I correct? You get to check to see if you're correct. And it's 52,080, which is our dividend, okay? So quotient times divisor should equal your dividend. Okay, and that's your way to check. All right, and that's it. That's it for homework. I mean, I'm not going to do multiple problems here for you. If you need to rewatch this one to get the steps down, by all means do so. Okay. Also, number 10 here, the table shows the distances between major cities. Mr. Santiago has a flight from Los Angeles to Toronto. If the plane travels at 520 miles per hour, how many hours long is the flight? All right, so see what you can do there in dividing, okay? Think about what you would have to divide here in order to get the answer, how many hours long is the flight? All right? All right, see ya.